Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about why the salmon burger is the ultimate weeknight power meal. We'll cover how to pick the best salmon, prep it properly, and keep your burgers from falling apart. Let's dive in. Have you ever found yourself staring at a pack of ground beef, wishing for something lighter but still satisfying? While a traditional beef patty is a classic, the salmon burger is taking over kitchens as the go-to alternative for health-conscious foodies. It is one of those rare dishes that feels like a gourmet treat while being incredibly easy to whip up on a Tuesday night. Salmon is famous for its high protein content and those heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids we all need. Beyond the nutrition stats, these burgers offer a distinct, buttery flavor that pairs well with almost any topping. They cook in half the time of a thick steak and leave you feeling energized rather than sluggish. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast or just someone who loves a good sandwich, mastering the salmon patty will change your dinner rotation forever. Let's look at how to pick the right fish and get that perfect sear every time. How to choose and prep the best salmon for burgers. The success of your meal starts at the seafood counter. You have three main paths to take: fresh fillets, canned salmon, or frozen portions. If you want the best possible texture, fresh is the way to go. Look for wild-caught salmon like sockeye or king if your budget allows. Otherwise, high-quality Atlantic salmon works beautifully. The fat content in Atlantic salmon actually helps keep the burger moist during the cooking process. When it comes to preparation, many people make the mistake of throwing chunks of fish into a food processor. This often turns the salmon into a sticky paste, resulting in a rubbery burger. Instead, grab a sharp knife and finely chop the fish by hand. You want small, irregular bits that will create a flaky, tender bite. If you use frozen fish, make sure it is fully thawed and patted dry with paper towels. Excess moisture is the enemy of a good crust. Salmon type. Best for. Texture highlight. Wild sockeye. Deep flavor and lean protein. Very firm and meaty. Atlantic farmed. Budget friendly and juicy. Rich and buttery. Canned pink. Convenience and speed. Soft and flaky. Fresh versus canned salmon, which is right for you. Canned salmon is the unsung hero of the pantry. It is affordable, long-lasting, and usually comes pre-cooked. For a quick lunch or a budget-friendly dinner, it works quite well. You just need to drain it thoroughly and remove any stray bits of skin or bone. The flavor is a bit more muted than fresh fish, but you can bridge that gap with bold spices. On the other hand, fresh fillets offer a superior dining experience. Fresh salmon has a clean, oceanic scent and a vibrant color that makes the final burger look stunning. While it costs more per pound, the texture is worlds apart from the canned version. If you are hosting a dinner party or really want to treat yourself, go with the fresh fillets. The secret to keeping your salmon burgers from falling apart. The biggest fear most home cooks have is the burger crumbling into a pile of fish flakes the moment they flip it. To prevent this, you need a reliable binder. Large eggs are the standard choice because they act like glue as they cook. For the dry component, panko breadcrumbs are excellent because they absorb moisture without making the patty heavy. If you want a creamier texture, a dollop of Greek yogurt or Dijon mustard adds both moisture and stickiness. That's it for part 1. Now you know how to choose and prep your salmon for the perfect burger. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore cooking tips, flavor variations, and healthy sides to make your meal complete. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.